Oh yeah. This called Tyson Fucks the Bear. Volume 1. And my mom, he be tearing this bear up. Watch this. Watch how long this shit go on. And my mama, that's backwards doggy. He does different positions. My man gets it in. Hold on. He like it rough. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. Yeah, get it. Get it. Get it. There you go. Get it. Get it. Get it, nigga. Get it. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, man. Oh, man, you didn't drop my stuff. Hold on, man. Hold on. There we go. Get it. Get it, Tyson. He been going for 45 seconds strong. 49. Hold on. Now, I think this is like foreplay or something. Some kind of weird foreplay. Oh, you see how? Oh, he didn't put it in his mouth. He didn't put it in the bear's mouth, man. What's going on, man? Oh, no, he nasty, man. Watch yourself. Oh, yeah, he gets it in. A minute and 15 seconds, he's still going. Oh. Oh, yeah. This YouTube. Oh, man. And then the little dog on the floor just like, help me. Help me, please. You should see his face, for real. Please. Tyson, like, what's going on? Hold on, is y'all taping me? Is I'm about to be famous? Hold on, I got something else for you. Hold on, I ain't doing yet. Oh, hold on.
That's hot wire.
Hold on, I don't know. Shake it.
Tyson, stop messing